Okay, so the next question is, will this code compile? And if it will compile, so what will it give the output? So we have a structure point. It has two members, int x and int y, and we create a instance struct point p1, initialize it with 1 and 5. We have a pointer to that structure ps1. We point it to address of p1, and now we have int I is equal to star ps1 dot x. So here this statement is a little bit confusing, and int j is star ps1 dot y. Will this code compile first of all? So if it's ps1 dot x and ps1 is a pointer, so if this is one thing, if star has greater affinity to ps1 than dot, then it will compile. So that's what we have to see. So here we try to compile it. And we get error, request of member x in something not a structure or union. So what happens now? Star ps1, so ps1 dot x, so it's basically, it is not binding like star ps1, but ps1 dot x, and ps1 dot x. So here we see request for member x in something not a structure or union. So it is not binding correctly. So to do that, we can do like this. So now it's ps1 is a pointer to structure, and we have star ps1, so we have the value here, and we can do dot operator. Here we can assign again a dot operator, because ps1 is now equal to p1 star ps1, and now we try to compile it, and it is compiling correctly. So we see that when we do star ps1 dot x, so it was basically not becoming star ps1, it was not a unit. So now it is a unit, and it compiled, and we see the result now. So value of I is 1 and j is 5. We could have done one more different thing. ps1 arrow is also correct, and so because it's a pointer, and we could have done like this. So this is also correct way. So what we see from this code is that if we do star ps1 dot y directly, then star ps1 is not a unit, and it becomes ps1 dot y first, because dot operator has more affinity, so it becomes ps1 dot y, and because ps1 is a pointer, we cannot use a dot operator, so it gives us a compilation error.